Alright, number 7, we want to use the precise definition of limits and prove the following and show the relationship between epsilon and delta. Seven x minus 2 equals -2. Okay, so the precise definition is f of x minus the limit is going to be less than epsilon whenever x minus the a value is less than delta. Okay, so our f of x is equal to this function, and we're showing that the limit as x goes to 0 is equal to -2. So I'm going to say f of x, which is 7x minus 2. We're going to subtract the limit, so minus the limit of a -2, so that makes that become positive. It's going to be less than epsilon whenever x minus a, and our a value is the value that we're approaching of our limit, so x minus 0 is going to be less than delta. Here we have a +2 and a -2, so they will cancel each other out. So we have absolute value of 7x less than epsilon, and then we just have absolute value of x is less than delta. Alright, so 7 is a whole number, so we can pull that out. We can just say 7 is positive, absolute value of x is going to be less than epsilon, and then we just have the absolute value of x is still less than delta. Now they're almost the same, so if I divide by 7 both sides, I will get absolute value of x has to be less than epsilon over 7. So now this absolute value of x is exactly the same, so that tells me that delta is equivalent to epsilon divided by 7. So that would be the relationship between epsilon and delta in this case. So when we look at the answer choices, we say that epsilon is equal to, delta is equal to 7 times epsilon, and that's not what we're seeing. They're equal. This one says delta is equal to 3 over 7 epsilon, and that's the one that looks like it matches. And then here's the precise definition. F of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever x minus 0 is less than delta. So this one matches up with the precise definition and the work that we have done.